This electric range combines a smooth ceramic glass surface with 5 clearly defined heating zones, giving home cooks plenty of room and precise control for multi-pot meals. The flexible triple and dual elements let you match the burner size to your cookware, which helps heat efficiently and reduces scorching at the edges of larger pans. Its convection oven circulates hot air evenly, so sheet pans of cookies, roasted vegetables, and family-sized casseroles tend to cook through consistently without constant rotating. Multiple oven modes, including options for gentle proofing and high heat roasting, make it easy to switch from baking bread to searing meats in the same appliance. The integrated temperature probe is especially useful for roasts and poultry, taking the guesswork out of doneness and helping avoid dry, overcooked results. A self-cleaning cavity, bright digital display, and sturdy stainless steel exterior with solid-feeling knobs make the range straightforward to maintain and attractive in a modern kitchen.